Hey, so you're new to Microsoft Office, feeling overwhelmed by all those icons? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'm breaking down the basics of the main Microsoft Office app's Word PowerPoint Access Publisher so you can get started fast. Let's kick things off with Microsoft Word. This is your go-to for anything text-based. Need to write a letter, craft an essay, or design a resume? Word's got your back. You can type, format, add pictures, and even use templates to make things look professional without starting from scratch. Next up is PowerPoint. If you need to make a presentation, whether it's for classwork or just for fun, PowerPoint is the place to be. You can build slides, add images, charts, and even animations to keep things engaging. It's all about telling your story, one slide at a time. Let's talk about Access. Now this tool's a bit different. It's all about databases. If you have loads of info, like contacts, inventory, or sales, Access helps you organize, search, and manage it without losing your mind. It's not as scary as it sounds, promise. And finally, Publisher. Think of Publisher as your personal design studio. It's perfect for making flyers, brochures, newsletters, or even greeting cards. You get easy drag-and-drop layouts and tons of templates to help your creative side shine. So those are the basics. Microsoft Office is packed with powerful tools, but once you know what each app does, it's a lot less intimidating. Give them a try and you'll be an Office pro in no time. If you enjoyed this, subscribe for more interesting tutorials about Office applications. Thanks for watching.